Guys, I'm super excited because my prolific account I applied yesterday and it just passed the waitlist, and right now they are telling me to verify my phone number and start an onboarding task. So once your account gets out of the waitlist, the next steps are just few simple steps, like after getting that email that your account is off the wait list, the next thing to do is you will see this interface and you will be told to continue with these steps so that you can fully verify your account. And number one, they will tell you the reason as to why they need you to verify the account, and these are the reasons. We ask you to verify your account to keep our platform trustworthy and ensure high quality data. Verification helps us confirm that each participant is a real person with a unique account, provide data collectors with reliable bot-free data, ensure fair access to tasks for all participants. So guys, you may be asking yourselves, why are they asking me to verify my account? The reason is highlighted below. And so if you want to learn more about the reason as to why they ask you to verify your account, you will go here. Next, you will be told to complete account setup, and it takes like 2 minutes. In this step, you will verify your phone number to continue. You will need to have a US phone number so that it can be able to get verified. Once you click here, you will see somewhere to add the phone number. Then you will add your number, like let me click to verify maybe. Once you click verify, they will tell you important security notice: your prolific account is linked to your official government ID, phone number and address. Never share your login details with anyone. Selling your accounts violates our terms and will result in a lifetime ban. Doing so could also expose your personal information to malicious parties. Stay safe. So after reading the security notice, you will click next, and at this point you will see verify your phone number. Enter your phone number and we will send you a verification code. We recommend that you use a phone number from your stated country of residence and can't guarantee access to prolific if you don't. So at this point is where you will put your phone number. If your account is a US profile, you will put the US phone number here. If it's a UK profile, you will put UK phone number. If it's a Canadian, if it's Australian, this is where you will put your phone number. So if you don't have somewhere you can buy the phone numbers, you can text me or write in the comment section so that I can give you various websites where you can buy. Number two, you will need to provide your address, and you need to provide your address. Provide your residential address to verify your payment method. Now after verifying your phone number, you need to give the address that maybe the address that is in your identity card, so that they can approve your account immediately. After that, the next thing will be take an onboarding task. Take an example task to learn how prolific works. So once you get at this point, you will need to start an onboarding task. So once you click start an onboarding task, you will be taken to this new tab. Then at this tab, prolific onboarding study, it takes 3 minutes. Hey there, welcome to prolific. Our onboarding task will show you what a typical task on prolific looks like. Please be attentive when answering questions. Unless explicitly permitted, it is against prolific rules to use AI generated content or the help of AI agents to answer questions in tasks. Unauthorized AI use could result in losing access to your prolific account. So it's not good to use artificial intelligence like AI and stuff, or Google Bard or Gemini, to answer these questions, because they will know and they will ban your account. And now they are telling you that devices that you can use on this task is desktop, mobile or tablet. So if you are ready to start, you just click here. Because I'm not ready to start right now because I'm explaining this video, I'll go back to explaining the onboarding process. Next, you will be asked to verify your ID. And in this place, you need to have a valid residential ID for the country you are applying for. If you are a US citizen, you'll need to use your valid government identity card. If you are in UK or Australia or Canada, you will need to use a government recognized identity card, whether DL or residence permit or I think student identity card. You can use them to verify your account. Once you verify, it will take like 1 or 2 days to get approved, and once your account gets approved, the next thing you will start working, and once you start working, you will make money. Once you make money, you will you'll be able to pay your bills. And yeah, so guys, thank you for following the whole sign up process, not sign up process but onboarding process. So you need to, as I conclude, I will tell you something very important. You need to have, if you are not in the US, in the UK or Australia or Canada, and you want your account to be from those countries, you need to have a strong proxy. You need to have a very strong proxy, because some of these proxies you get are very cheap and they end up leaking your address, and then your account gets on hold. Number one, use a very strong proxy. I repeat, use a very strong proxy. Once you have the best proxy, the next thing is avoid using AI to generate your answers or responses, because this company has got high intelligent algorithms that detect AI generated work, and if they detect you are using AI to answer the questions, they will definitely put your account on hold. Number 3, avoid giving too short answers, because once they see you are not giving the effort it takes to answer their questions, they will definitely put your account on hold. The other thing is that you need to answer questions correctly. Avoid rushing, because once you rush, you will end up messing and your account will be on hold. So having that in mind, you need to be serious and take this work serious, and you'll end up making a lot of money. I'll share in the next video the performance of this account once I pass the onboarding and start working. So guys, thank you for watching up to this point. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and like. If you have any question about Prolific, or you want to get or you want either clarification, kindly write in the comment section. Goodbye.